Hello friends. So in today's Techno Funda analysis video, we will be covering about one company which is an NBFC. So let's start with the technical chart analysis. So many viewers will be happy that the stock is trading in two digits, and but it is irrelevant for me. Even a five-digit stock can double or triple, and it's so let's start with the analysis part now. So I will open a weekly chart first, and as you can see here, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट, यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस है स्टॉक को, एंड इधर एक रेजिस्टेंस लेके इट, तो here it was a resistance, here it was a resistance, it gave a breakout here, एंड जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स भी बहुत अच्छे थे ब्रेकआउट के टाइम, एंड अगेन अभी ये ब्रेकआउट के बाद ये रिटेस्ट कर रहा है दिस पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस लाइन को, एंड दिस लाइन इज एक्टिंग एज सपोर्ट नाउ, एंड यहाँ पे उसने भी एक हैमर फॉर्म किया, इट डिडंट क्लोज बिलो दिस लेवल. तो यहाँ पे द स्टॉक इज गेटिंग अ गुड डिमांड फ्रॉम द बायर्स, एंड पॉसिबली यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेके स्टॉक कैन गो हायर एज वेल. So this is about the weekly time frame. I will switch to daily time frame now. I'm just yeah. So this is the daily time frame chart. So in daily time frame chart, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे वही हमने सेटअप डिस्कस किया था, सपोर्ट था यहाँ पे, उसने एक क्लोज देके एक और कैंडल उसके नीचे बनाया था, बट अगेन नेक्स्ट डे यहाँ पे द कैंडल क्लोज्ड अबाउट दिस, एंड ये कैंडल बहुत बुलिश कैंडल था. If you see the number of candles it had covered, so this bullish candle had covered almost five red candles. So five red candles are covered in one bullish candle itself. So this means this candle is very strong, and यहाँ पे जो volumes था that is also above average. And जब ये retest कर रहा था, जब ये retrace कर रहा था, तब यहाँ पे volumes जो थे वो below average थे. जो green volumes थे that were above average, जो green candles के volume है, but again जो red volumes है that candle ke it is below average. So that means this is just a retracement in the stock, and this stock is giving a shakeout to the buyers who have bought this particular stock thinking about the breakout or some other opportunities. So this is just a shakeout in this particular stock. And also if we see the technical pattern, the stock was in uptrend from March last year, and अभी जो stock है इसने cup and handle pattern बनाया है, एंड उस हिसाब से द स्टॉक हैड गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट. And if we want to discuss about technicality of the pattern, so this pattern is formed during the uptrend, and after this breakout जो stock का trend जो uptrend है वो resume होता है, so it again continues in this uptrend journey. And before this breakout candle, stock had consolidated for almost if we say so for almost 1 month. So it consolidated near this resistance, and यहाँ पे जो volumes भी बहुत कम थे, so this can be an accumulation or distribution. But जैसे कि इसने यहाँ पे breakout किया है, so basically it is an accumulation phase for this stock. So after this breakout अभी ये retest कर रहा है, and based on this retest the stock is giving a good opportunity for a short term traders to add this particular stock. So अभी हम इसका जो ट्रेडिंग प्लान क्या रहेगा इसमें फॉर अ न्यू ट्रेडर कैन बी, हम इसका टारगेट कैलकुलेट करेंगे based on this particular cup and handle. So ये high है और ये this is the low. So we will just mark this candle and we will consider this breakout because यहाँ पे breakout दिया था, यहाँ पर उसने सिर्फ retest ही किया है. So हम यहाँ पे ये जो breakout है इसमें add कर लेंगे इस range को, and if we check जो target इसका जो बन रहा है it's around 67, which is a good target. अगर हम इसका stop loss भी देखें, so one can keep stop loss at around 45, around 46. So our stop loss will be around 46 in this particular case, and target will be 67. If we check the risk reward, so the risk reward is, if one adds at current price, then the risk is around, then the reward is around 30% reward. And if we check the risk, then the risk is around, if we consider 46, yeah, so if the risk is around 10%, 10 to 11%, so risk or reward is more or less 1:3, which is a good risk reward for a trader. So a trader can use this opportunity to add this particular stock, and let's check the fundamental and let's see the data supports the short-term analysis as well. So the company's market cap is around 9,200 crores, book value is 9, and current price is 51. So which means the price to book is around 5.5. in this case. अभी हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस देखेंगे तो कंपनी का जो नेट प्रॉफिट है इट वाज इंक्रीजिंग टिल 2019 एंड यहाँ से वो डिक्रीज होना शुरू हो गया. This can be because of the pandemic. I will say this particular level March 21 levels. If we check the net profit, so also net profit यहाँ से decrease हुआ था, but again यहाँ से increase हुआ है because apart from this sales or revenue getting decreased, this can be because of the other income part, or there can be some expense reduction because of this pandemic. Operations में कुछ हुआ रहेगा. If we check the dividend payout, then the company is paying dividend regularly to the investors. If we check the balance sheet, then borrowings is zero, which means the company is debt-free company, and the reserves is increasing from 2020 last year से increase क्या है, and 2018 के बाद it was in downtrend. So this can be a turnaround kind of thing for this particular stock, and also stock is trading near support. If we check the investors holding, then promoters holding has decreased from 73 to 61%. FIs की holding भी decrease हुई है, and DIs की भी holding is decreased from 13% to 10%. So public holding had increased. If we check the promoter pledging, then there is 0% pledge in this particular stock, which means there is no problem in this promoter holding. The only negative thing is promoter FI and DIs all are decreasing their stake. Other than this, the borrowings is zero and it is debt-free company. Reserves increase हो रहे हैं. There are reserves in company as well. Profit and loss में company is profitable, although it is decreasing. एंड बट यहाँ पे जो नेट प्रॉफिट है EPS है उसने बहुत अच्छा राइज दिखाया भी है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, if you check the technical, the stock is trading, retesting the breakout region, and now it is giving a good opportunity for short-term and traders. So fundamental will play less role in this particular stock because the holding period will be less than 6 months, or will be very less, and probably we can see the target is around 30% only, and the risk is 10%, as we have discussed in the trading plan. So this is about the today's Techno Funda analysis video. If you have learned anything from this video, and if you want to make sure that we make more such videos, then you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.